Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how to build the game. After building the game we'll play on our PC also how it was working. If you not seen before videos, the link was available in description. You can find all the videos, and if you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You can learn a lot many technology in this channel. Let's watch this amazing video. So in before tutorial we done everything, like we seen everything, like we final touches and we added everything. It's very clear. So the 2D game was very clear. Now in this tutorial we'll build the game. Before building the game, if you win we want to play again and we need to quit the game or whatever it may be. So we need to add two buttons and just add these two buttons which was there here, and just small thing that is a copy and paste, and just paste it here, just paste it here, and make these both buttons to child of canva, and you can only see that. And you can see the win button was just drag and you can see, and you can play again. And for canvas we need to add the script which is menu script. So you can add the menu script and you need to drag to play again. So that is, we need to drag this canvas script and just go here, play again, and just drag this canvas and it should be quit. So quit. So I think everything it's worked. Just I'll play the button. If I play again, just how it was working, I want to know that. So just if I play again, yes, it's working fine, right? I think I want to build this one, and just what, first of all go to build settings and you can change. You can see first of all we need to get menu and sample scene, game over, you win. So hierarchy is very important, and just build in platform. We want that we are using Windows, we need to play in Windows, right? I want to play this game in PC. Just build and name it as just you can name as creepy cat. So creepy cat, just, oh, first of all we need to create a package, that's folder. So first of all I want to create a folder, so I'll name it as application, so or game application. So make it as application. So just open here and just select the folder. Oh shit, I think it's building or not, I don't know that. So how it was working I want to know. So I think yes, it's building. So we selected the folder, in that it's building. It's take time to build, we need to wait. So if you not seen in before tutorials which was there from zero onwards, I did all the tutorials like zero to out, I think almost 40 tutorials I did regarding this game development. You can find all the things which was available in Play Store, not sorry, which was available in playlist, and you can available. Just I'll play this game, that's creepy cat game. Just make it as play. So how it was working, yes, our menu scene, I think you can write like a welcome to my game, you can write that one also. Just play here. Yes, my game was saved. So do you know that my timer was like I started at 40. So how it was working, I want to see the pause menu. Yes, it's working. Pause menu, resume menu, our score, everything was working. So it's fine. So like pretty good, and so everything working. So I want to destroy this. Oh, shut! I'm unable to destroy this enemy. Yes, I did. So it's working fine. Timer is also working fine. Score is increasing, and I'm collecting my life. So I'm losing my life, and checkpoints is working clearly, and bullets working clearly. Left bullets and right bullet. Oh shit! Again, 3 lives loses, and you can play again, and it's working perfect, right? So just and make bullets and left bullets, yes, it's working. So it's working fine. It's working fine. So you can collect all the coins, live. So I don't want to be here. Yeah, shut. So I want to just yes. Yeah, the bullet's working perfectly. Everything working perfectly. So we are in end almost. So we are in end. So yes, we won the game. I want to quit the game. How it was working, you can see it's quit working or not. Yes, quit game also working. Quit button. I think we all enjoyed this game. I think this I'll come with another video that is final. What we can say final gameplay video. It's like a with animations full of think that's all for this end of this tutorial. I think you learned lot many things in this tutorial, like from 0th tutorial to like up to 40 tutorials, like we worked with everything, like so many things we learned in this tutorial, that we added physics and we added sorting layers and we added prefabs and we organized the assets, everything we done, movement of player, jumping, respamming, clipping, we added that collision, what we can say, detector, fall detector, timer, particle system, health. Oh, menu creation, so many things we learned in these tutorials. I think if you enjoyed, just hit that subscribe button and just share to your friends and keep on supporting this channel. We'll come with more technologies. Thank you.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really